what's driving markets. Welcome to Market Take. Each week we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Natalie Gills, portfolio strategist at the BlackRock Investment Institute. Last week, major tech firms beat lofty earnings expectations. We don't see earnings results spoiling upbeat market sentiment. A handful of mega-cap tech firms are making an outsized contribution to US earnings. We see earnings landing just below consensus of 11% this year after stagnating in 2023. Analysts also see margins recovering. We see margin pressures mounting this year, but tech delivering on earnings and cost-cutting measures allow margins to hold up for now. Ultimately, we think market sentiment on stocks is anchored on the outlook for policy rates and inflation. Fed Chair Jerome Powell pushed back against rate cuts in March, but we see the Fed cutting rates as it eyes inflation nearing 2% this year. Yet we think the stock rally could be upset by resurgent inflation and margin pressures at some point. We're overweight overall US equities, including the AI theme, on a tactical horizon of 6 to 12 months. On a strategic horizon, we're neutral US stocks, as we expect high for longer interest rates to weigh down on valuations. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com.